Hello everyone. Today's date is 18 January 2022. This is the original video. I am Amal Ankush Mole. Today I have discussed topic of Java non-access modifiers. In Java, two types of access modifiers, that is access modifiers and non-access modifier. In access modifier, we have discussed uh, public, private, protected, and default. And non-access modifier has a static, abstract, final, strict up, uh, and also so on. So first we discuss static modifier. Static modifier is used to static keyword. Uh, in using static here with the variable is will exist independently of any instance created of the class. Only one copy of static variable exists regardless of the number of instances of class. Static variables are also known as class of variables. Local variable cannot be declared as static. Then static keyword added with methods. Then this is a static method. The stat it is exists independently at any instance created of the class. Static methods do not use any instance variable of any object of the class. They are defined. Static methods take all data from parameters and compute something from their parameter with a non-reference of variable. Class variables and methods can be accessed using a class name, then followed by dot and with the references of the variable. Uh, then discuss about final modifiers. In a final modifier, it is a final keyword using with variables. Then this is a final variable. Final variable can be explicitly initialized only once. Reference variable declared final can never be reassigned to refer to an different object. However, the data within the object can be changed, so the state of the object changed to non-the reference with variable. Final modifier opens is used as static with constant class variable. Then final keyword is added with methods. Then this is final methods. Final method cannot be overridden by any subclasses. As I mentioned previously, the final modifiers prevents a method being a modifier of subclass. The main intention of making a method final would be that content of method should not change by any outside. When create a final class, the method is not accessible in other class. Then final class, the main purpose of using class being declared as final is to prevent class from being subclasses. If class is marked as a final, then no class can inherit any features from the final class. Final class is not access in other class. It is access on other class, but by using setGet method. And then third one is abstract modifier. The abstract keyword is added with the class. Then abstract class can never be instantiated. If class be declared as abstract, then the sole purpose of class is to be extended. A class cannot be both abstract and final. If class contain abstract method, then class should be declared as abstract. Otherwise, compile error thrown. Uh, then abstract class may contain both abstract methods as well as normal method. Abstract then abstract methods. An abstract method is a method is declared without any implementation. The method body is provided by the subclass. Abstract class can never be final or strict. Any final that extend the abstract class must implemented all the abstract method of the superclass unless the subclass is also an abstract class. If the class contains one or more abstract method, then the class must be declared abstract. And abstract class does not need contain abstract methods. The abstract methods ends with semicolon. Uh, then discuss fourth method is synchronizer modifier. The synchronizer keyword used to indicate that the method can be accessed only one thread at a time. The synchronizer modifier can be applied with any of four access level modifier. Then transients modifier. In these variables, mark as transients to indicate the JVM to skip a particular variable when serializing object containing it. The modifiers included statement that creates the variable preceding the class or data types of the variable. Then volatile modifier. The volatile modifier is used to let the JVM know the thread accessing the variable must be always merge its own private copy of a variable with the master copy in the company. Accessing a volatile variable synchronizes all the cached copied of the variables. The main memory volatile can only applied to instance variable which are of two types of object or private. Volatile object reference can be null. Then discuss about strict up keyword. In a strict up keyword that used into same result in every platform. If you perform operation floating point variables, the precision may differ. Platforms programming language have provided script word so that you get same result of every platform. So now you have better control over floating point arithmetic. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you.